Beyond instinct, the complexity of animal behavior. The animal kingdom is a spectacle of diversity and adaptation, where each species has developed unique strategies for survival, reproduction, and interaction with its environment. While animal behavior is often associated with instinct, close observation reveals a surprising range of actions that defy simple explanations. Unusual behaviors, which seem to go beyond basic needs, raise fascinating questions about animal cognition, learning, and culture. Intimately linked to behavior is animal communication. Far from being just an exchange of rudimentary signals, communication in the animal world is rich and multifaceted, involving a variety of methods: visual, auditory, chemical, tactile, and electrical. Through these complex signals, animals express emotions, establish hierarchies, coordinate group activities, attract mates, and warn of danger. This script will delve into examples of unusual animal behaviors and explore the intricate forms of communication that underpin social life and survival in the animal kingdom. Unusual animal behavior, surprising science. The study of animal behavior, ethology, constantly surprises us with observations that challenge our expectations about the cognitive and emotional capacities of different species. Creative problem solving. New Caledonian crows are famous for their ability to use tools and even manufacture new tools from found objects, demonstrating a level of intelligence and problem solving previously thought to be exclusive to primates. Altruism in unrelated species. Dolphins have been observed protecting humans from sharks, and capuchin monkeys adopt orphaned infants from other groups, exhibiting altruistic behaviors that benefit unrelated individuals. Grief behavior. Elephants demonstrate behaviors that resemble grief over the loss of group members, touching the bones of the deceased with their trunks and staying near the bodies. Dolphins carry their dead calves for days. Complex play. Animals of various species, from otters to birds like blue jays, exhibit complex play behaviors that seem to have no function other than pleasure and the development of social and cognitive skills. Animal culture and knowledge transmission. In some populations of Japanese macaques, the practice of washing sweet potatoes in seawater before eating has been observed, a behavior that spread through the community via social learning, suggesting the existence of animal culture. Homosexuality and non-reproductive behavior. The occurrence of homosexual behaviors and other forms of behavior not directly linked to reproduction in various species raises questions about the social functions of these behaviors. The silent language. Diversity in animal communication. Animal communication takes countless forms, adapted to the ecological and social needs of each species. Visual communication. Vibrant colors in birds to attract mates. Threat displays with raised fur or feathers, elaborate mating dances, and changes in body posture are widely used forms of visual communication. Auditory communication. Complex songs of birds to demarcate territory and attract females. Whistles and clicks of dolphins for long-distance communication, the alarm barks of prairie dogs to warn of predators, and the territorial roar of lions are examples of acoustic communication. Chemical communication, pheromones. Many insects, mammals, and other animals release chemical substances called pheromones to signal sexual availability, mark trails, indicate danger, or establish territorial boundaries. Smell plays a crucial role in this form of communication. Tactile communication. Touch is important for establishing social bonds, calming offspring, reinforcing hierarchies, and coordinating group activities. Primates groom each other, wolves rub their muzzles, and ants exchange information through physical contact. Electrical communication. Some species of fish, such as elephant nose fish, generate weak electric fields around themselves to navigate and communicate with others of the same species, detecting disturbances in these fields. Vibrational communication. Instead of airborne sound waves, some animals communicate through vibrations transmitted through the substrate, soil, water, plants. Naked mole rats use vibrations to coordinate colony activities, and spiders sense vibrations in their webs to detect prey. The complexity of animal cognition and communication observations of unusual behaviors and the intricate forms of animal communication raise profound questions about animal cognition. The ability of animals to think, learn, solve problems, and be aware. Intelligence and learning. The ability to use tools, solve complex puzzles, and learn new skills demonstrates a level of intelligence that goes beyond simple instinct. Studies show that many species are capable of associative learning and even insight. Emotions in animals. The observation of behaviors such as grief, altruism, and play suggests that animals may experience a range of complex emotions, although the exact nature of these emotions is still the subject of research. Syntax and semantics in animal communication. The complex songs of some birds and the sequences of whistles of dolphins exhibit characteristics reminiscent of the syntax of human language, with different elements combined to convey diverse meanings. Semantics, or the meaning of signals, is also present in animal communication. Dialects and regional variations. Just as in human language, some animal species exhibit dialects or regional variations in their vocalizations, suggesting the influence of social learning on communication. The language of bees. The waggle dance of bees is a remarkable example of complex communication, where forager bees communicate the direction, distance, and quality of food sources to their hive mates through specific body movements. The impact of research on our understanding of the animal kingdom. Ongoing research into animal behavior and communication has significant implications for our understanding of the natural world and for our relationship with other species. Biodiversity conservation. Understanding the behavior and communication needs of species is crucial for the development of effective conservation strategies. The disruption of their communication systems can have negative impacts on their survival. Animal welfare. Knowledge of the behavioral needs of animals is fundamental to improving captive conditions in zoos, farms, and homes, promoting physical and psychological well-being. Bio-inspiration. The innovative solutions found in nature through the study of animal behavior and communication can inspire new technologies and approaches in areas such as robotics, artificial intelligence, and engineering. Understanding evolution. The comparative study of behavior and communication in different species provides valuable insights into the evolution of cognition, language, and social behavior. Animal ethics. A deeper understanding of the cognitive and emotional capacities of animals raises important ethical questions about our treatment of other species and the need to consider their interests. Challenges and tools of modern research. Studying animal behavior and communication in the natural environment presents unique challenges. Observation and data collection. Recording and analyzing animal behavior objectively and non-intrusively requires time, patience, and the use of technologies such as remote cameras, microphones, and tracking devices. Interpretation and avoiding anthropomorphism. It is essential to interpret animal behavior based on scientific evidence, avoiding the unjustified attribution of human emotions or motivations to animals. Research ethics. Studies must be conducted ethically, minimizing stress and disturbance to the animals studied. Analysis of complex data. The large amount of behavioral and communicative data collected often requires the use of statistical and machine learning tools to identify significant patterns. New tracking and monitoring technologies. Small transmitters, GPS and acoustic tags, and the use of artificial intelligence for video and audio analysis are revolutionizing how researchers collect data on animal behavior in their natural environment. The future of ethology and bioacoustics. The future of ethology, the study of animal behavior, and bioacoustics, the study of animal sound communication, promises new and exciting discoveries. Advances in comparative neuroscience. The combination of behavioral studies with neuroimaging techniques and genetic analysis will allow for a deeper understanding of the neural bases of animal cognition and communication. Large-scale environmental monitoring. The use of acoustic and visual sensor networks to monitor animal populations and their behaviors in real time can provide crucial data for conservation and management. Interspecies communication. Future research may explore the possibility of developing interfaces that allow for a rudimentary form of communication between humans and other species. The impact of human activities. An increasing focus on investigating how human activities, noise pollution, habitat fragmentation, climate change, affect animal behavior and communication is essential for mitigating negative impacts. Conclusion. Celebrating the complexity of the animal kingdom. The unusual animal behaviors and the intricate forms of communication we observe in the animal kingdom are testaments to the rich diversity of life on our planet and the complex adaptations that species have developed through evolution. By moving beyond simplistic explanations based on instinct, we discover a world of intelligence, emotion, learning, and culture that connects us to other species in surprising ways. Continued research in these fields not only expands our knowledge of the natural world, but also challenges us to reconsider our place within it and our responsibility to the other life forms with which we share this planet. Unraveling the secrets of animal behavior and communication is an ongoing journey that offers us an ever deeper and more fascinating glimpse into the complexity and beauty of the animal kingdom.